What's up everyone, it's Ross, and it feels like it's been forever since I recorded a video, man, but it's only been a month. But anyways, I hope all you guys are alright. Today I told you guys that we are gonna do a drive with the dash cam in the car, which I'm super pumped about today. It feels like I've been forever, I've missed you all and everything, so I hope you're alright. And yeah, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take you guys out on, I guess, through the dash cam recorded on a drive really, around my local town where I live and everything, so you guys can get a picture of how it is and everything. And yeah, so this is going to be a good one. What we're going to do is we're going to head up to SpongeBob's car wash, which is about 11 minutes or so away from me. It's literally so close to where I live, so we're going to go there, get the car valeted inside, as you can see, because it is absolutely all over there. It needs to be valeted. There's so much all over the place and everything. I've just had it cleaned on the outside. But yeah, this is going to be about how it drives, how the Fiesta drives and everything. It's going to be a good one, this one. Going to keep my video short and snappy from now on, so yeah, you all know it. Yeah, all short and snappy from now on. Yeah, and I'm so pumped to actually record this video, because to be honest guys, the only thing that makes me truly happy in myself is recording videos. I love making videos, I love doing this. It's the only thing that makes me truly happy. And I know it sounds hard, well, bad to say that, but yes, I have been a bit upset and down recently, and I want to get back into this, man. There's been so much stuff going on. I've recently got back from a holiday from Wales. Oh my god, so I apologise for burping, but Wales is absolutely beautiful, fantastic place and everything. But anyways, I want to record the video for you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the dashcam on. This is going to be a fun one. I'm going to edit the videos and pick out certain parts. So yeah, so we're going to get on with this, man. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys on a video on the outside, because as we know, my old videos used to record inside my house. So I want to take you fans along with me on the journey, man. So we're just going to have a drive out locally where I live. We're going to go to a few places actually. We're going to go to the SpongeBob car wash and everything, and then we're just going to go to, I think we'll have a drive around the town area, and then we're not going to go too far. Well, no, anyways, let's get on with it, man. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and if you do, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I won't be playing any music because I don't want a copyright strike, because I'll have my ass with a copyright strike. So yeah, let's get on with this, man. So let's get on with this. So yeah, peace. So as you can see guys, we were holiday happy. I was holiday happy in Wales. So yeah, it's a beautiful place, Wales. I love it. So we're gonna go for a drive. So let's do this, guys. Let's go. Alright fam, so we have just been to SpongeBob's. I got the car valeted inside, and as you can see, this is what it looks like now. It's a lot better, much more better. We've done a very good job at that, I would say. But for some reason, my camera box has broke. Look at that, guys. I don't no idea how that's happened, but that has just broke. So we're gonna have to find somewhere else to put the camera. But luckily, I've got a bag for it. But yeah, they've done a good job, very good job, I would say. So from now on, I'm still gonna record the drive for you guys. If you're enjoying it so far, absolutely smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I appreciate you all. But what we're going to do now is we're going to drive through my town area, and then we're going to drive back all the way home. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this one. I'm not going to talk too much in the video. I will talk at some points about the car and how it drives and everything, because this is what the video is meant to be, only about the Fiesta. So yeah, hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. So yeah, peace. And alright fam, so we are back home. So yeah, no, sorry, not back home, but back in my hometown, which is Wadhurst, and we got a grapefruit on the way. He's a beaut, man. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the drive. Now I'm just gonna let the video play until I get all the way home, and then I'll end it. But yeah, for now, thank you all for watching. If you liked it, absolutely smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I'm so pumped to get another video out there for you all. You know, I've missed all you guys. Let me know your video ideas in the comments below and what you thought to this one. And yeah, you all have a nice day. Take care of yourselves and peace. What's up everyone? So if you've seen this at the end of the video, it's because when I've rewatched the video myself, I've realised the audio completely failed. Honestly, I had no idea the audio was failed, so I'm really sorry about that guys. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. I do talk in the audio, you can hear it at the end when I'm talking without the dash cam, but there's no audio on the dash cam, so I really do apologise about that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed watching anyway. You all take care, have a beautiful day and peace.